America must fear you before she can love you.
Send our troops and General Gage, make that Boston the rebels' cage.
A big fleet and 1,000 men, fill that city with men.
This may get so ugly, we'll just keep our tax on tea.
Now then hear our voice you see, let's buy goods from o'er the sea.
March 5th, that cold night, an angry mob asked for a fight.
Someone fired from pray, soldiers shot 5 that day.
In the harbor just that bay,
3 ships waited each day. King tax colonists wouldn't pay,
so the ships would just stay.
One night Sons of Liberty snuck aboard and took the tea, smashed the crates and soon the sea overflowed with heat and debris.
We must punish that whole town, Boston Harbor is shut down. Soldiers will live in each home.
That's all far from very good. We can do something we should. We can bring them extra food.
Yummy!